Let's check out the latest place we got here in the Wilmington area. Here's the neighborhood. Nice little street that just is a big loop. That's what the neighborhood is. Just goes around, comes back to the entrance right here. And it's a brick, not a brick ranch, but it's a ranch house. 3-bedroom, 1.5 baths. It's got a garage conversion. 1,400 square feet maybe. Shingles look pretty good. Windows have been replaced. Siding looks pretty good. Might go over it with vinyl, who knows. It's got these huge oak trees in the yard, a couple big magnolias. Lots of cool landscaping. Very characteristic of Wilmington. It's even got some wildlife. More oak trees. Heating and air has been replaced pretty recently. Nice shed in the backyard. 2 smaller ones. This place will come together nicely. I haven't even been in the shed since we closed on it. Let's see what they left for us. Some pegboard, door casing, vinyl lattice, a door, more pegboard. That's probably a Christmas tree or something in that. There's always Christmas trees every single time. Sometimes several, sometimes more Christmas decorations than anybody needs at all. Nice shed that's got a little porch. It's wired. Put a little window unit in there. Have a he said, she said shed. This house is on a slab. It's got, looks like some kind of fiber cement board siding, maybe, if we're lucky. Otherwise, we'll just have to go over it. This is no good. Let's see what's in this shed. Hopefully there's no critters that get me. License plate. Not bad at all. Let's go this way. They had a big dog. I've probably already stepped in it though. Let's see what's going on inside. Here we go. This is exactly how we bought it. Emptier than the last time that I saw it, so that's good. This looks like wallpaper, but it is not. It's actually paneling over the drywall, so that hopefully will come off and reveal nice patchable, paintable drywall behind it, and then it'll be way better than it is now. This is probably paneling maybe over drywall too, I don't know, but we'll see. We will probably start over with new cabinets in here. See if I can get the lighting a little better in here. I don't see the switch. Nope. Anyway, what we will put in there is probably not as good as these cabinets as far as sturdiness and built in here. It'll be here for 40 years, but it's time for these to go. It's so small. Won't take a whole lot. We'll get a dishwasher in here too. That's another reason to replace the cabinets. Probably put a dishwasher on this side so you can open the range and the dishwasher at the same time. The refrigerator goes right there. Probably had a dishwasher there. No, I doubt it. No plumbing there. I don't know what was there, but it's gone now. And We'll leave this wall, we'll leave everything like it is. Still keep this an eat-in. Living room, dining room, kitchen, kind of all in one open. Be nice to get rid of that wall a little bit, but that takes away so much wall space in the living room. That would be a little weird. Probably open it up too much for the space we have. Probably get rid of that little fireplace. It's really dark in here, but this was at one time a garage or a carport. And it just needed to be enclosed because they needed the space. I'm going to open that. You can see. There we go. So this is the second den, I guess. There's a laundry room in there. Nothing in there to see. It's super dark anyway. Let's do a little tour of the bedrooms. Middle bedroom. Nothing too exciting in there. Most of the doors are in pretty good shape. Not a whole lot of stuff to repair in here. It's a 4-bedroom, but it's only 1.5 bathrooms. So it's a small 4-bedroom house. And that's fine. Small 4-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom. It would be great if there was a second full bath, but we can work with it. I was hoping there was room to get a shower in here, but there's just not. We'll end up replacing this with a regular bathtub again. They did a nice job on the tile, but I'm sure it's not behind here. Probably goes right up to this edge all the way around, and we'll have to end up demoing all this to get bathtub back in there, but we might be able to do it up to within a row or two of the top of this tub, put a border, and then finish it below that with something similar, but looks like it's been there the whole time. This may be over the drywall again. We'll check that out too and see if we can figure out how to minimize the demo and reconstruction in there. Still got the baseboard heat from before, but that's been abandoned for years. Looks like they replaced the windows without really a whole lot of thought on whether or not they were leaking. We'll get rid of these closet doors that are mirrored. That went out of style in 1984. And again, nothing too terrible, just lots of painting, lots of flooring, lots of some wallpaper, things to get rid of. We may end up leaving this. Well, I don't know, it's got holes in it from the bar, so we'll probably get rid of this and just paint all this one color. And that's it. It's back to the living room. This will be our next pretty big project. See how soon we can get this taken care of, taken apart, put back together. And just let me know if you have questions.